Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to hold the thread app, and here you can see an option to uninstall. So basically it will remove app from your smartphone. So once you've done that, and then you need to go back and open Instagram application and click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and here you can see a thread app badge. Click on that, and here you can see view thread profile, or you can see hide badge. And you can see that you can't add it back to your profile once you remove it. So make sure once before doing that. So this is the simple process by which you can delete threads. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.